order to access option chain for any tradable derivative instrument and head towards the option of option chain and tools. Under this section, first select the exchange and then select any of the underlying asset, which can be an equity index, a stock, a currency pair, or a commodity, and then select the specific expiry for that selected underlying asset. You can also select a range for various strike prices, or you can choose to go with all strike prices as well. Option chain table gives you valuable information as a derivative trader because you would know important factors like open interest, volume, implied volatility for a specific strike price of call as well as put options. The option chain table will have the information regarding the call option on the left hand side, whereas the information regarding the put option will be available on the right hand side for the strike prices mentioned in the middle column. From option chain, you can directly place orders in a particular call option or a put option or both. If I want to place a buy order for a 18,000 call as well as 18,000 put option, I can just select these radio buttons in front of them, go on the top and select the option of place orders. I can also add them to a watch list in case I require that. Once I click on place order, a common order screen will get open wherein I will be able to place order for 18,000 call as well as put options as per my choice.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.